Hello everyone. Welcome back to OMG. Look at this. This universe is full of incredible things that will leave you speechless. Some facts will surely make you see this universe in a new way. Get ready to be amazed at these mind-blowing facts about the universe. These facts will expand your knowledge about so many unknown things. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. So sit back tight, and we are going to explore the universe. The universe is so big. Speaking of big numbers, there are more stars in our universe than grains of sand on all the beaches in the world. That is over 100 billion trillion stars. The universe is vast, and it is estimated that there may be up to 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each of these galaxies contains billions of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. The universe is also constantly expanding, at a speed faster than we ever thought possible. This means that galaxies are moving away from each other faster and faster over time. But here is the kicker. Scientists estimate that the matter we can see in our universe only makes up 5% of its total composition. The rest is made up of dark matter and dark energy which we cannot even see or detect. Age of the universe. Did you know the universe is over 13 billion years old? Yes, you heard it right. According to their estimates, the universe is 13.7 billion years old, with an uncertainty of 200 million years. It's been around an incredibly long time. To put that into perspective, the Earth is only about 4.5 billion years old. Black holes. Black holes are so dense that their gravitational pull is strong enough to bend light. This means that if you were to get too close to a black hole, you would be stretched out like a piece of spaghetti. Astrophysicists are reporting that black holes are among some of the brightest objects in the universe. So now let's get to know about what is happening here. The answer, in part, is that black holes don't live alone. The monster black holes at the centers of galaxies are typically surrounded by searing clouds of hot gas. As this material funnels toward the black hole, it can create cosmic auras around the darkest place in the galaxy. These black holes can be infinitely big, or some theories state. But without a doubt, when it comes to this nature, there are scientists on both sides of the fence. There is a massive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy. It is 30,000 light-years away, and is over 30 million times as massive as our Sun. Black holes eventually evaporate, although common knowledge states that nothing can escape a black hole. At least one thing does: radiation. According to some scientists, as black holes emit radiation, they are losing mass. This process has the potential to eventually kill a black hole. Black holes are not always black, although they are known for their blackness. As we said earlier, they do emit electromagnetic radiation. It was not Albert Einstein that discovered black holes. Albert Einstein only revived the theory of black holes in 1916. Long before 1783, scientists named John Mitchell developed the theory, after he wondered whether a gravitational force could be so strong that even light particles could not escape. And last but not least, black holes determine the number of stars. According to some scientists, the number of stars in the universe is limited by the number of black holes. The speed of light. Everybody loves to imagine themselves flying through the galaxy at the speed of light, roughly to 99,792,458 meters per second. However, the reality might be less fun and a lot more fatal. When coming into contact with an object moving at light speed, hydrogen atoms transform into intensely radioactive particles that could easily wipe out the crew of a starship and destroy electronics in seconds. Just a few stray wisps of hydrogen gas floating through the cosmos could have a radioactive output equivalent to a proton beam created by the Large Hadron Collider. Just imagine you could travel at the speed of light. The Moon is almost 200,039,000 miles away from our planet. This distance is the same as the 30 Earth's places side by side. If you were traveling to our planet's natural satellite at the speed of light, it would take you just a bit more than 1 second to reach your destination. Our Sun isn't even close to the top 10 biggest stars. The Sun is 93 million miles away, and that means in actuality it's immense. Our Sun is an average-sized star. There are bigger stars, and also smaller stars. It's over 1 million kilometers in diameter, yet our Sun is tiny compared to the really big stars out there. Let's just dive in to see some of the massive stars in this universe that exist. Betelgeuse. The estimated radius of Betelgeuse is around 1,000 times that of our Sun, which means that if it were placed in the center of our solar system, if it was our Sun, it would reach as far out as Jupiter. Rigel, the first of the supergiant stars, is about 773 light-years away. It is the sixth brightest star in the night sky, and it can be seen as a blue-white star. Rigel is 85,000 times as bright as the Sun and is 70 times larger than the Sun. And then there is this monster CANIS Majoris, the largest star ever discovered. 1 billion times bigger than our Sun, and this star is considered a red hypergiant star since it is so large. It is 4,900 light-years from Earth. If it were placed at the center of our solar system, it would fill the solar system beyond the orbit of Saturn. The darkness of the universe. Being scared of the dark is not just a silly thing that children experience. It's an evolutionary trait humans develop to protect themselves from dangers lurking in the unknown. The only reason adults nowadays do not fear what they cannot see is that they have learned through experience that the likelihood of monsters hiding under the beds is very low. In space, however, darkness represents a completely unexplored emptiness that continues for infinity. So being afraid of the dangers that lurk beyond our sights is a completely understandable reaction. Solar flares. Despite the occasional sunburn, our Sun has provided us with warmth and light for billions of years. However, don't let our local star fool you. Our Sun is a vast miasma of incandescent plasma that can shoot out massive bursts of solar radiation at random. However, they are unlikely to endanger any of the life on Earth directly. These solar flares can create electromagnetic pulses that wipe out power grids, interfere with radio communications, and render technology invalid. Cold welding. Here on Earth, gases in the atmosphere react with metals to create a thin layer of oxidation. The vacuum of space, however, has no atmosphere, and therefore causes no oxidation to form on metals, leading to an interesting reaction. This reaction is called cold welding, and it occurs when two metals of the same molecular makeup are pressed together and fused permanently, as if they were one piece. While this may sound neat, it caused quite a few problems on the first satellites and makes space repairs very tricky. Dark matters/dark energy. We know very little about our universe. We have only seen less than 5% of the stuff that it's made of. The other 95% is dark matter and dark energy. About 1/4 of the universe is made up of dark matter, the mass that we can't see or find in space, but must be there due to its effects on the behavior of its surroundings. And the rest of the universe is dark energy, the true nature of which is mostly unknown. However, we are pretty sure that it plays a crucial role in the expansion of the universe. Alien life. The universe is massive and unbelievably old, so the chances of other planets similar to Earth evolving life are not unlikely at all. According to Fermi's paradox, the high probability of extraterrestrial life out in space is contradictory to the lack of apparent evidence supporting it. At this point, we are not sure which is scarier. We might not be alone in the universe, or the possibility that we are. There you have it. These are only a few mind-blowing facts about the universe, and there are many other unbelievable facts about the universe still left to learn and discover. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.